I like to cook my ribs like not greasy. That's why I braise first until the fats are rendered until golden brown. While I'm braising, just wait until the fats are rendered. So I'm gonna cut my garlic and onion. Right here I have 3 shallots. You can use regular onion. Yeah. The reason why I use shallots is more flavorful and more aromatic. But it's just onion is very close to the same thing. While I continue braising, I just cut this onion and garlic. So after I braise pork ribs, continue cooking. So same time at the same time. So first thing I'm gonna do is just slice garlic. It's easy chop or mince. So I don't like too much small or easily. It's good to go. Just put it here to the side, put it together. As you can see here, I have here red shallots or red onion, garlic, whole black pepper, bay leaves or laurel. We need vinegar, white vinegar, soy sauce, and of course salt for the taste, and a little bit of sugar. So continue braising until the pots render like this. So the pots is already there. So I don't like my pork ribs like very greasy or too much oily. So that's why the reason why I braise it before I gonna cook it. And this time, as you can see there, look at the pots or the oil. See, that's a lot. So this is perfect timing. So we're gonna strain it, and then we throw the excess oil. We have perfect braised pork spare ribs. And as you can see, there's a lot of fat here. So we're gonna remove it. So in the same pan, we're gonna use one. So we're gonna saute our onion first, or shallots. We're gonna saute the shallots there. Garlic, gonna add rosemary, fresh rosemary to add flavor. And the spare ribs, which is already braised it. Add the spare ribs here, back to the pan. Then I add white vinegar. Around 1/4 cup white vinegar, or it depends. This one is 1.2 kilo. Soy sauce there, and peppercorn or black pepper and bay leaves or laurel leaves there. They incorporate soy sauce and no vinegar. This is traditional pork spare ribs adobo. Then add some water, around a lot of water because this spare ribs we want to cook for about 1 hour. Add some salt. Add sugar. 2 tablespoons of sugar to balance the acidity, to balance the taste, the acidity of the vinegar, at the same time balance the salt, the saltiness. So this taste tastes like savory taste. Little bit salt and sugar right there. Then we cover there, then reduce the low heat the heat to medium when it's boiling. So we cook there for 1 hour in the simmer. So it's starting boiling, reduce the heat to medium, and we'll come back after 1 hour. There you go, after 1 hour, my spare ribs adobo is perfect. Look at that. Bell pepper, some green onion, stuff. There you go. There is my pork spare ribs adobo. Look at that. Focus it. There you go. Pork ribs adobo. Look at that. Try it. First bite. Look at that, very tender. So delicious. So guys, this is my pork ribs adobo. So if you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe, press the notification bell so you updated every time I have an upload. So thank you for watching, follow for more, or subscribe.